Have you ever walked into a room and felt someone dominate the space without uttering a single word? No speeches, no threats, just presence. That's the art of silent manipulation. And today, I'll show you how it works. This isn't about fake confidence or shouting the loudest. This is about real, psychological influence that controls people before they even realize it. Section 1. The power of silence. Silence makes people uncomfortable, and in that discomfort, you gain power. Most people rush to fill silence, but when you master the ability to stay quiet strategically, you create mystery. You create dominance. In psychology, this is called the silent authority effect. When you don't speak unless necessary, people begin to value every word you say. Tactic 1. Enter a room and stay quiet for 10 seconds. Just observe. Result: you create psychological tension. Everyone becomes aware of your presence. Section 2. Master your eye contact. Your eyes speak louder than your voice ever will. Direct, unwavering eye contact creates pressure. If someone looks away before you do, they subconsciously submit. If you look away too fast, you lose the power. But don't overdo it. Hold eye contact just long enough to assert control, then calmly break it as if you're bored. That shows dominance without aggression. Tactic 2. In conversation, hold eye contact for 3-5 seconds longer than usual. Section 3. Controlled movements equals controlled presence. People who fidget seem nervous. People who move slowly and deliberately appear confident and powerful. Master manipulators understand this deeply. If you want to control without words, your body must reflect calm control. Example: when walking into a room, don't rush. Walk like the room is already yours. When turning your head, do it slowly, not jerkily. These subtle actions scream control. Section 4. Strategic use of pauses. Imagine this. Someone insults you. You don't respond immediately. You pause. You look at them, then respond with calmness, or don't respond at all. That pause, it creates psychological imbalance. They expect emotional reaction, but your control unsettles them. Tactic 3. Before replying to a challenge or question, pause for 2-3 seconds. Make them wait. Section 5. Mastering your micro-expression. Your face must never reveal more than you intend. Master manipulators maintain what's called a neutral dominant expression. They don't smile too much. They don't frown unnecessarily. They observe while staying unreadable. Train yourself to reduce unnecessary reactions, especially in tense conversations. This forces others to guess your intentions, and in that guessing, you gain power. Section 6. Energy control. Every room has energy. A dominant person either controls it or shifts it. Your job is not to match the room, but to bring a stronger, more composed energy. How? By speaking slower, breathing deeply, holding posture. The calmer your energy, the more people instinctively follow you. Because calm equals control. The loudest person in the room is often the weakest. The quiet, composed one is the one in charge. Bonus section: the shadow persona. This is the final piece, your shadow persona. People who manipulate silently embrace their darker traits calmly. They don't hide from them. They integrate them. They know when to be kind and when to be dangerous. Build a reputation of calm power and unpredictability. Be the person who rarely speaks, but when they do, everyone listens. Now you've seen how silent manipulation really works. These aren't tactics for evil. They're tools for control, awareness, and strength. Master these, and people will feel your power without needing to hear a word. Like the video, if you found this powerful. Comment below, what's your silent power move? Subscribe for more content on dark psychology, persuasion, and control.